Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and insights. A deep dive into Inkdrop AI, revolutionizing note-taking. Join us as we explore Inkdrop AI, a cutting-edge tool designed to transform digital note-taking, content creation, and organization. Find direct links to the product in the description below. Inkdrop AI is brimming with features tailored to professionals, students, and content creators. Its most striking capability is its AI-powered note organization. Inkdrop automatically categorizes and tags your notes, simplifying search and retrieval, regardless of the volume of data you've accumulated. This eliminates hours spent manually managing folders and tags, allowing you to maintain effortless organization. Another key strength is its robust writing assistant. Inkdrop AI facilitates brainstorming, refines note structure, and even proposes content enhancements. Whether you're developing blog posts, research papers, or personal journals, this tool significantly amplifies productivity by streamlining your writing process. Seamless cloud storage integration ensures constant access to your notes, even while on the move. With flawless synchronization across devices, you can rest assured that your valuable information is always safe and accessible. For privacy-conscious users, Inkdrop utilizes end-to-end encryption, safeguarding your notes from unauthorized access. The intuitive interface is exceptionally user-friendly, minimizing the learning curve. Regardless of your technical expertise, you can immediately utilize Inkdrop without encountering frustration. Moreover, its cross-platform compatibility, spanning desktop and mobile devices, guarantees consistent connectivity. This tool caters to anyone requiring a dependable, intelligent, and secure note-taking solution that adapts to evolving needs. In summary, Inkdrop AI is a game-changer for those seeking to optimize note-taking and boost productivity. Whether you're a student, content creator, or business professional, Inkdrop AI provides unparalleled features to elevate your workflow. Explore the links in the description for more information and experience the difference for yourself. You won't regret it.